All right, we got our Heroes Assemble bands. You guys ready to go in?
I'm ready.
All right, guys, we're here for the Heroes Assemble event. Let's do this.
Good luck on your missions tonight. It starts now, and you'll
Thank
find
you.
your mission inside of the map.
All right, thanks. Oh, thank you. Enjoy. All right, we got this too. All right.
Preview.
Definitely very similar to Nandy's night.
Except they don't give you that big poster.
Cards for you.
Oh yeah, I want a poster.
You're welcome. Come on through, guys. Got some trading cards.
Thank
for
you.
No problem.
Ooh, what is this? Ah. Oh, it's Mr. Cheesy Pop.
What's up? Hi guys. You know what I was just saying?
What were you saying?
I was saying,
Oh, it's your birthday?
do we not get anything if we complete the mission?
Yeah.
I was
I have
like,
no idea, but we have to complete it in order to find out.
who do we hand it to?
Captain America, maybe.
This is just a mission for fun. We paid for this mission.
Maybe we'll get an Infinity Stone.
There they go, guys. They're on the move.
On the mission.
Good luck.
Good luck to you guys.
So as soon as you walk in, you're given these little brochures here that give you all the information that you need to know, whether it's entertainment, meeting the characters, the foods, the rides, what kind of things are happening. And they also give you these awesome Avengers trading cards. Look, isn't that cool? You can trade these with your friends or family, or just keep them to yourself. That's pretty awesome, I think.
What do we got here, Janelle?
I think we got most of the Avengers. We got Hawkeye, we have the Hulk, we have Thor, we have Black Widow, we also have Captain America, and we have all the Avengers.
Nice.
Look.
That's cool. I'm keeping all of them.
Oh, I was right. I was like, oh my god, please don't mess up.
All right, so we're in Hollywoodland at Disney's California Adventure. To be honest, I don't really know what to expect from this Marvel's Assemble thing. It's new to me. I don't really know what to expect, like I said, but we're gonna try to find out together. So why don't you guys join us today? Here we go.
Jet was waiting, but you never showed. I forgot to tell you, didn't I? Well, the important thing is, you're here. Okay, everyone, picture time.
Guys, we're on a mission today. We're gonna get all the Infinity Stone churros. You guys ready for this?
I am.
All right,
I am.
we're gonna get them all.
All right, we got the Reality Stone churro.
Oh, it smells so good.
There's the first Infinity Stone.
I got one of the stones.
There's one thing I really wanted, and today I am gonna get it, guys. I'm not leaving Disneyland without getting the Infinity Gauntlet.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm doing anything. What's that about?
You're giving him the Reality Stone churro.
Sorry.
You know Groot can't handle it. Especially baby Groot.
Oh, my baby Groot.
What do you guys think about waiting in line for this Infinity Stone sipper? Are you for it? Or are you kind of like, meh, I don't know.
I don't know. I mean, how badly do we want this? I want it.
I want it badly.
I want it
okay?
badly. This is the only big line I'm gonna wait for.
Look at this line, guys. This is for the Infinity Stone Gauntlet. Look at this line.
This is at least.
I don't even know if I want it that much. I want it, just kidding. Look what I got! I finally got the Infinity Gauntlet, and it has all the Infinity Stones, and it's a zipper. I just don't have anything in it to drink yet, but I am soon.
There's something in there, you're right. Guys, now it's time to get the Power Stone churro. Here we go!
one more Infinity Stone churro, and we got it.
We got all of them.
Finally got all the Infinity
I sure
Stone
did.
churros. You ready to do this?
I'm ready. Are you?
Yeah.
So we went on a mission and found Infinity Stone churros, and we also found what else?
The Infinity Gauntlet.
So this year we have reality, we have soul, we have power, we have time, we have space, and we have mind. Look at that. And the flavors are cherry, orange, grape. This one has apple, raspberry, and lemon.
Whoa.
I'm excited.
This is awesome.
It took us almost like, what, 2 hours to find all the stones, but we finally did it.
But it's worth it, you know?
It was
Because you
worth
gotta
it.
find the Infinity Stone.
Mm-hmm.
I've
Now we
had the
have
try-
infinite power.
Yes.
Infinite churro power.
Sugar power.
You know, I wonder if you guys snap your fingers, would the lines be cut in half here?
Oh, that's true.
Because that would be awesome. I can get it on Radiator Springs in like 5 minutes.
That's true. That's very true.
All right, guys, let's try this cherry one.
Let's try this green apple one. Oh my gosh, that's so good. That's really good.
Now the orange one.
Crunchy blue raspberry.
That's a warm grape churro.
Right, lemon now. That one doesn't taste like lemon. That one tastes like pretty pebbles. That's pretty cool. But all
Does that mean we
together,
have infinity power now?
we have infinity power.
No, because you didn't eat them all like I am going to do right now.
I'm gonna take a bite of every single Infinity Stone churro, because I have the infinite power. Here we go.
So hard.
Snap your fingers. See what happens.
I'm making my way to the other part of this party. I heard Iron Man is here. Did you guys hear that? Iron Man is here. Have you been? Oh, Infinity Churros. Good job.
So when you come into the park, they give you this little brochure, and inside the brochure you have like a little a mission you have to accomplish. But we decided not to do that mission. We decided to do the mission of finding the Infinity Churros, and so far it's been amazing. I get a lot of head turners over here and just like asking me where I got them, and I'm like, it's up to you to find them.
If you guys plan to show up to the Heroes Assemble event, let me just tell you, get ready because you're gonna meet Iron Man, Spider-Man, you're gonna meet Captain Marvel, yeah, Doctor Strange. There's a lot of people you can meet, and this is the best place where Marvel fans can show up and meet other Marvel fans and just talk about the movies.
Yeah, we should ride Radiator Springs. It's the perfect time to go if there's no line.
Yeah, let's
There's
go.
always a huge line, Anna. Today is the day.
Today's the
You
day.
ready?
But didn't we snap our fingers?
That is true.
Let's go.
Remember we'd snap our fingers and the lines would be 10 minutes? I guess that snap actually really worked.
Look at this. No line, guys.
Here we go. All right, we finally made it on. Let's go.
Slow down. It ain't racing yet. Just follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater! Coming, Sheriff! Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? Ready? Don't let Frank catch you. Honk! Yippee. Luigi, give our friend your best.
Oh, they're fixing up our car.
Real race car. Going up to the starting line.
Here we go. Well, that was a lot of fun, but now we're stuck on the ride.
We're stuck now. Wow.
Oh man,
We got
time's running out.
45 minutes until Marvel Heroes Assemble closes.
Before it's done.
Attention race fans, all races have come to a temporary stop. Please remain seated in your car and the race will resume.
It's like Thor's hammer.
All right, this is the Thor dog. Look, it's supposed to look like his hammer. Isn't that cool? Now inside it's your ham and cheese with sriracha ketchup. So here we go. Mmm,
Whoa.
that's so different, but good different. I really like this. Like a honey baked ham, nice cheddar cheese, and sriracha ketchup. Sorry, I'm like messy. Sriracha ketchup is a nice. It's not too hot. It's actually perfect spiciness, and obviously your amazing batter. It's like can't go wrong with it. Oh,
It's the same batter they use in the corn dogs, so you know it's nice and sweet. And the ham and cheese, nice and savory, gives it a great balance.
that's right. It's so good. You have to try this.
Thank you, Thor.
Thank
right.
you. Thank you. Yeah, I'll babysit her.
You guys got to meet the mighty Thor.
I was nervous. Can you tell?
Yeah, I can
I
tell.
always get nervous when I meet characters. I don't know what to say.
You also got to meet Mighty Thor,
Yes, I did.
and he almost took that gauntlet away from you.
He
You're
didn't-
wielding
he didn't
too much power.
He didn't trust me.
Yeah, well,
No, he was gonna destroy it, and then I said I trust her. She has a trusting eye.
yeah.
And I was like, you have to babysit her. I'm like, yeah. Even though she's my older sister.
So guys, we had a good time here at Heroes Assemble. The only thing is that with these events, it's always hit or miss. Sometimes they'll have a great event, and then sometimes I don't think they know what they were going for. This event was kind of like that. I had fun. I had fun. But I think,
it wasn't as much fun as 90s night, I would
ooh,
say.
90s night was the best.
90s night.
They got to bring that back.
2 days for that.
Oh,
because
yeah.
that was amazing.
I think Disney needs to work a little bit harder when it comes to these Disney After Dark events. But aside from that, we had fun.
We had a
Yes,
great
we did.
time.
A
Yeah.
really good time.
I hope you guys had a great time with us. We'll see you guys here next time
Bye.
on Magic Journeys. Bye.
All right, now we got to find her car in this vast parking lot.
I'm obsessed with it.
All right, guys, we had a fantastic time here at the
Marvel
Heroes Assemble. Guys,